How to create Google Drive link to share files to create shareable folder. So here is how to do so. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the Google Chrome on your device. Then simply type down the Google Drive in the search address bar and hit enter. Then all you have to do is tap on the Google Drive from the search list and make sure that you are signed in to your Google account. Tap on the sign in button and sign in. So once signed in, all you have to do is simply create a folder. Here I'm creating a new folder. Let's just name it share for an example. Now once you do so, double press on the share folder that you want to share. Then you will get to see share option available from the drop down menu. Then tap on the share. So once you tap on the share, tap on the restricted option available there and simply tap on the anyone with the link option available there. Then once you do so, simply type down the email address of the people you want to share this folder to. You can keep as much as people you want and simply tap on the send option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.